So, hindi pa tapos yung klase, may kliyente na siya. She was a bank officer for many years before shifting to virtual bookkeeping in 2024. A tough but intentional decision so she could focus on her family. She realized the need to upskill and enrolled in free online classes. That's when she discovered TBSE. The training helped her gain confidence and break out of her comfort zone. Last month, eto na, she landed her first ever client, which soon led to more offers. So, hindi pa tapos yung klase, may kliyente na siya. Please, help me welcome with a virtual round of applause our special guest for today, Miss Grace Nepomuceno. Ngayon, excited kaming malaman, how did you come across TBSE?
Oo. So, dahil nga nung nakakaramdam na ako ng mga rejections, so sabi ko, parang it humbled me na hindi lang para enough yung 18 years in the corporate. Tapos actually, hindi ko alam na dapat pala talagang aralin ko muna bago ako. Kasi nung nasa TBSA na, moving forward, sabi ko, ay, ganito pala to. Buti na lang pala, hindi ako na-hire, kundi talagang gagapang ako. So, nag-decide na ako nung medyo marami na ako rejections. Tapos nakikita ko na online na merong mga classes. So, nag-enroll ako.
Benefits. Working from home.
Siyempre, number one is to manage my household. And we are convicted na we are the best model and influencer of our kids. Number two, walang traffic. May flexibility ka when it comes to your time. You are not bounded by schedules. Talaga nagustuhan ko sa TBSA is the accountability groups.
Okay.
Nakakuha ko ng tips sa kanya during our accountability group. Parang okay na strategy yun kasi ang goal ko pa naman ngayon is hindi mo na yung sa pera or may makuha kang malalaking client. Then gusto ko talaga magka-experience. So sabi ko, sige nga, gayahin ko nga si Miss Edith. So nung na-optimize ko ng profile ko, so apply na ako dun sa mga common, yung mga sikat na platform. Tapos sinabi ko doon, I'm offering my service for free.
What is your message to our aspiring virtual accountants and bookkeepers?
Kasi usong-uso ngayon, di ba, nag-viral ngayon yung TDH. Bigyan natin siya ng meaning na iba. So, sa mga nag-aspire na pumasok din sa bookkeeping, masishare ko lang is, letter T, you trust God's timing. So, you pray about it, kasi iba-iba naman yung path talaga na dinesign sa atin ni God. When you have peace, madidiscern mo yan, kung ito na yung tamang timing, D, do it. Go for it na. Huwag ka nang mag-alinlangan. Kasi wala nang mawawala sa'yo kung mag-i-enroll ka or hindi, di ba? It's still your knowledge. So, you go for it. And then, yung H ko sa TDH is you hone your skills. So, whether you watch free online classes or you decide, mas maganda if you decide to enroll kasi iba rin yung benefit talaga kapag nasa isang class ka with a strong support system para mas maging ready tsaka mas maging confident ka to face the battlefield. So, yun na.